In this video, we're going to be learning how to fix login error in Netflix. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and is connected to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem with the application, like with logins and stuff, you can simply press and hold on to your icon. You can simply press and hold on to your Netflix application and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache, and here you'll see the option to clear your cache. Simply clear your cache, and if you want, you can also delete your informations by clicking on Clear Storage over here. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.